Welcome today in front of me Motorola Moto G50, and I'll show you how to change gesture sensitivity on this device. So first you should go to the settings app and scroll down with your finger to the system section. Now just go to the gesture section, and here you'll see the system navigation. Just tap there, and here on the right side you'll see the settings icon. Tap to this icon, and right now you can see that we got here our gesture settings. Just to change the gesture sensitivity, swipe these dots to the left or to the right side from the lowest to the higher. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.